Later this year there's going to be a new brand of telescopes hitting the market with some pretty unique and groundbreaking, I must say, specifications, and the brand is Barrel Optics, and its first unique feature from the ground up, you could say, from the mount to the optical tube assembly and the optics themselves, is going to be made from 100% recycled materials. I don't think any other brand has done that so far, and this first one, it's a telescope that they're introducing. I'll show it on the to one side now, and as you can see, 100% recycled materials, and this one is going to be imaging only, a 200mm f0.95 super fast imaging Cassegrain, and so it really will set new standards for high speed photography, for capturing amazing photographs of star clusters and galaxies, etc. But looking at the legs, the designers were sat down having a cup of tea, and one of them had a light bulb moment, and he looked below him at the chair and he thought, why have 3 legs when you can have 4 for extra stability? And that is where they came up with this amazing design of 4 legs, so turning a tripod into a quad pod, and no other telescope manufacturer, I don't believe, has ever done that before. And this particular one, it comes with Wi-Fi, so you can have full control from your smartphone. But going into development, they hired NASA scientists who came up with some amazing alterations to the optics to come up with the following claims. There is 0 chromatic aberration, 0 spherical aberration, 0 coma, and also they made the optical tube assembly and the legs image stabilized. But on top of this, they used nanotechnology to, as well as all reducing and eliminating all the previous things I've just mentioned, they totally eliminates atmospheric turbulence to make the image so steady throughout long exposures. And they've realised that this now can match space telescopes such as Hubble, and just think of the cost savings in the future. And so when this becomes available, I think it's going to be priced around about $29,000, which does sound a lot of money, but when you think about it, it's probably, if you're into imaging, the only scope you're ever going to need. So I'll link in the description below if it ever becomes available, and yeah, thanks as always, and I'll see you next time.